Bird dog is conducted in the quadruped position or the 4-point stability position. Make sure that your knees are underneath your hips and hands are underneath shoulders. Allow your spine to drop a little bit. Okay. Now what we do is we extend one leg, okay, and the opposite arm. When we do this, we want to make sure our back is flat and neutral. Often you'll be hitched or dropped, so do your best to ensure you're neutral. Also, when you look down towards your leg, make sure that is vertical. A lot of people, when they do this, they tend to throw themselves forward. So place awareness in there, knee under hip, keep that back flat, and extend out. Now I'll show this on the other side. Extend one leg, check your back, make sure the knee is under the hip and you're relatively vertical, and extend out and hold. Hold this for 5 to 7 breaths. Master this before you move on to the dynamic version, which I'll demonstrate next.